In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thank you page in Wix and connect it to your forms and funnel. By the end, you'll have a clean branded confirmation page that reinforces your message and moves visitors smoothly to their next step. Start by opening your Wix editor, log into your Wix account, head to My Sites, and choose the website you want to work on. Click Edit Site to open the editor. This is where we'll create the page and wire up the redirect so visitors land in the right place after a form submission, purchase, or booking. Next, add a new page. In the left panel, open Menus and Pages. Click the plus icon to add a page and name it Thank You or a similar confirmation title your audience will recognize. Keep the name simple and clear so you can find it easily when you set up redirects. Now, design your thank you page. Add a friendly headline that confirms the action like, "Thanks, your form was submitted," or "Your booking is confirmed." Include a short supportive paragraph explaining what happens next, such as when they'll hear from you or where to check for a confirmation email. Feel free to add images or a brief video to reinforce your brand and keep the tone positive. Quick note, if you need the Wix link, you'll find it at the very top of the description. That takes you straight to the website we're using in this tutorial. Add clear next steps or calls to action. Place a primary button that guides visitors forward. Book a call, browse products, read a helpful guide, or share your site. If you include multiple options, make one the obvious priority. Customize the messaging for your funnel goal. If this is for leads, underscore the value they'll receive. If it's post-purchase, thank them and point to onboarding or account access. Keep the message consistent with the promise that led them to convert. Set up form redirects. Click your form, open settings, and under submission behavior, choose redirect and select your new thank you page. Do the same for booking forms so every conversion lands here. Optimize for mobile. Switch to mobile view and adjust spacing, font sizes, and button placement. Make sure key text shows above the fold and that buttons are easy to tap. Finally, preview and publish. Test the flow end to end. Submit a sample form and confirm you arrive on the thank you page. When everything looks good, click publish to take it live. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Wix tutorials.